In Postgres, you've got two ways to package a query. A regular view is just a saved query. When you ask for the data, it runs from scratch every time. A materialized view is different. It caches the answer itself, so reads are fast. The catch is keeping that cached answer up to date. So how do you keep a materialized view current? In standard Postgres, you've only got one option: refresh it. And refresh, the way Postgres does it, is basically brute force. It throws the cache answer away, scans the entire source table, and rebuilds from scratch. Every time, even if only one row has changed. So here's where it falls apart. The bigger your data gets, the longer that every refresh takes. What used to finish in seconds starts to take minutes, and then hours. Your cached answer drifts further and further behind reality, and there's not really any way to outrun it. Incremental refresh is the fix. The setup looks the same materialized view, same query you'd write anywhere else. The difference is in what happens when you refresh. Instead of rebuilding everything, the engine figures out exactly what changed and only updates the parts of the answer that need updating. The cost of refreshing is bound only by what changed, not by how big your data is. In Tacnode, this is one tiny addition to a standard materialized view. You flip a single option that tells Tacnode to maintain it incrementally, and that's it. Everything else you'd write in plain Postgres works the same way. A few things worth knowing about how this works in Tacnode. The smallest unit of work is a single row. Change one record, and only the parts of the answer that depend on it get recomputed. You can use the full range of SQL, joins, window functions, common table expressions, subqueries. Almost anything you'd write as a query works as an incremental view. And it doesn't matter how the data changes. Insert, update, delete, even wiping the whole table. Every kind of change flows through incrementally. And that's incremental materialized views in a nutshell. Fresh data without the full rescan. If you want to see it for yourself or dig into the docs, head over to tacnode.io, where you can also set up a demo and we can walk through it together. All right, catch you next time.